she can't harm the child.
Well,
the National Weather Service has issued flood warning for the following counties or areas: Washington, Ohio, at 4:40 p.m. on May 23rd, 2026, effective until 4:44 p.m.